Okay guys, it's a Hurd, H-U-R-D. It says Hurd U.S. Marine, has a little anchor on her. And here we go, it's all brass, everything's brass on it. I have the key around here somewhere, but I don't know where. I believe it's a 5-pin lock, no securities. It is hard to pick though. I messed up already. I just got I'm using a little deflexer on and putting it in the top of the keyway. Only because if you see the keyway, it's kind of messed up. The regular wrench takes up too much room. So we're going to try it with this. Gotta move real slow and deliberate because you can pass the shear line real quick on this lock and overpick it. I'm not sure if I got it or not. Oh, this is gonna be it, I think. There it is, got it. Might need a bigger wrench though. I'm twisting this one apart. There it is, open. A lot of torque on there. I did twist my wrench apart, look. Anyway, that's a Hurd, 5 pins. And there you go. See you later. Have fun.